Gorgeous, gorgeous day, everybody. 79 degrees. We're supposed to go up to about 81. And look at it. We had some blue sky back. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. Planes, trains, and automobiles, right? All right, so this guy's going out. Watch him pull out. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I've been singing like Christmas carols for a few days now, and I don't even realize I'm doing it. Actually, I'm not going to be going out for lunch right now because I have someone coming to the house to fix a window, and he's gonna be there in 10 minutes. Yeah, lunch will have to wait. Can you guys hear the birds? Oh, now I hear a helicopter, but look at the hawk. Hawk alert. Look at it's coming back. Can you guys see the hawk? Oh yeah, there it is. You can see it now. Way up there. Oh my God, those birds sound so pretty. Listen, they're like singing. We have 18 votes. Oh, we gotta check out the poll, everybody. 46% said they have witnessed something. Interesting. Excuse me, that is really interesting. That's almost 50%. Yowza. Oh, the guy pulled out in his boat and I wasn't even paying attention. Is it when we were looking at the hawk? He's gone. He's just all of a sudden he's gone. We have a dog alert. Dog, dog, dog on the dock. Not this dog. Look at this dog. Hi. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh. It's Daisy, everybody. You guys all know Daisy. Most unidentified flying objects are just unidentified, not alien. That's correct. That's correct. Just because you saw something that's unexplained doesn't mean it's, alien or from another place. It could be though, right? Could be. Hi, Daisy. What you doing? Come here. Come on. Come here, Daisy. Come on. Come here. Can you see her? You guys can't see her. Come here. Daisy.